How to fix Premiere Pro's media offline. So right now one of my file is missing in Premiere Pro. Now you're gonna get this problem like, when let's say I place this object or this thing inside my Premiere Pro, then I deleted it from my PC. So what I can do is either I can drop the backup again and then ask Premiere to search for it, or either I just remove it. So if you don't have the backup for the video or audio which you deleted and it shows this, just delete this and it's going to be removed from your Premiere. But if you have the backup, so in my case I just put it in a recycle bin, I can just restore it like this and it's gonna be back on my PC. All right, once this is back on my PC, I can open my Premiere Pro, double click on it, and over here it's going to show me this. I can click on OK. And once I do this, what I can do is close my Premiere Pro again and just click on yes, we want it to be saved, and just reopen your project again. So let's wait for some time. Once you reopen your Premiere Pro, it should pop up over here just like this. That's how you guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.